that has been revered for centuries in traditional medicine for its remarkable ability to combat fatigue, build strength, and restore overall vitality. The specific reasons why ginseng proves so beneficial for your legs are noteworthy. Ginseng is widely recognized for its unique adaptogenic properties, which essentially means it empowers your body to better manage and adapt to stress. Aging, whether we readily acknowledge it or not, imposes a daily stress upon our muscles and joints. Ginseng works to mitigate this internal stress, bestowing resilience upon your body so that your legs feel less like they are actively working against you with every movement. But the advantages don't end there. Scientific research indicates that ginseng can actually enhance muscle performance and improve endurance. It assists your muscles in utilizing oxygen more efficiently, which directly translates into greater stamina and a significant reduction in feelings of tiredness. Imagine navigating your home, ascending stairs, or running errands without experiencing that overwhelming sense of exhaustion afterward. This is the tangible difference that ginseng can make over time. The contribution of green tea to this potent combination further amplifies its benefits. Green tea is exceptionally rich in catechins, powerful antioxidants that diligently combat the free radicals within your muscles and joints. Why is this so important? Free radicals are notorious for causing cellular damage over extended periods, which can make your legs feel significantly older than their actual chronological age. Consuming green tea regularly supports your body's natural repair mechanisms, helping your muscles maintain their strength and your joints feel more capable and less restricted. And, in contrast to coffee, which can lead to sharp spikes and subsequent crashes in energy levels, green tea provides a smooth, balanced uplift thanks to L-theanine, an amino acid known for its calming yet alertness-boosting effects. When you add ginseng to this already impressive formula, you achieve a steady, enduring boost in both your physical and mental energy. The mental boost is particularly significant, and it's an aspect that many people tend to overlook. When your mind feels sharper and your overall energy levels are higher, you naturally feel more inclined to engage in physical activity. This newfound motivation directly encourages more frequent use of your legs, which, in turn, gradually rebuilds their inherent strength. In essence, ginseng green tea not only fuels your body, but also ignites the mental drive necessary to maintain an active lifestyle. Preparing this invigorating tea at home is quite simple. Begin by boiling a cup of water and then allowing it to cool slightly so that it's not excessively hot. Steep a green tea bag for 2 to 3 minutes. Following this, add a few thinly sliced pieces of ginseng root or approximately a 1/4 teaspoon of dried ginseng powder, depending on what you have available. Allow this mixture to steep for an additional 5 minutes. If you desire a touch of sweetness, add a small amount of honey or a squeeze of lemon for flavor. That's all there is to it. A delicious and energizing cup that supports both your legs and your overall vitality. For the most optimal results, it's recommended to drink this tea daily. It's not a quick fix, but rather a gentle habit that works diligently in the background, consistently improving your energy levels, your balance, and your overall mobility over time. Scientific evidence, such as research published in the American Journal of Chinese Medicine, demonstrates that older adults who regularly consume ginseng have shown improvements in lower body strength and experience less fatigue during their everyday activities. This isn't solely confined to scientific studies. Well-known public figures, like the actor Jackie Chan, who continues to maintain an active lifestyle well into his 70s, have spoken about incorporating ginseng tea into their wellness routines to sustain their physical capabilities for demanding film roles. If someone in their 70s can maintain that level of activity, imagine the gentle yet profound boost it can offer your everyday walks, your climbs up the stairs, or your light exercises. Therefore, if you are weary of feeling like you're dragging your feet and are eager to feel sharper, more mobile, and more in command of your energy, ginseng green tea rightfully deserves a permanent place in your daily routine. It transcends being merely a beverage. It represents a daily encouragement toward a healthier, stronger version of yourself. The adaptogenic nature of ginseng is key here, helping the body to better cope with physiological and psychological stresses that can lead to fatigue and diminished physical capacity. By moderating the stress response, ginseng helps prevent the depletion of vital energy reserves, allowing for sustained physical and mental performance. This is particularly beneficial for seniors, as the cumulative effects of stress can exacerbate age-related changes in the body. Furthermore, ginseng has been shown to improve cognitive function, enhancing focus and mental clarity, which can also contribute to a greater willingness and ability to engage in physical activities. The combination with green tea is exceptionally synergistic. Green tea, beyond its antioxidant content, provides a mild stimulant effect due to its caffeine content, but this is balanced by the presence of L-theanine. L-theanine promotes alpha brainwave activity, which is associated with a state of relaxed alertness. This means you get a clean energy boost without the jitters or anxiety often associated with coffee, and the ginseng further supports this sustained energy release. The benefit for leg strength specifically comes from improved cellular metabolism and increased ATP production, the primary energy currency of cells. By enhancing the efficiency with which muscles convert glucose and oxygen into energy, ginseng helps to delay the onset of fatigue during physical exertion and improves overall muscular endurance. This means that activities like walking or climbing stairs become less of a challenge, and the legs feel more capable of sustained effort. The ease of preparation, as described, makes this tea an accessible option for daily consumption. Whether using fresh root or powder, the process is simple, and the result is a potent beverage that supports both physical stamina and mental acuity, empowering individuals to move more freely and with greater vigor throughout their day. The long-term benefits of consistent use are significant, contributing to a more robust and energetic lifestyle for seniors seeking to reclaim their vitality. Ashwagandha root tea, restoring balance, calm, and strength from within. Now, let's explore a truly exceptional tea that extends its benefits far beyond merely supporting your legs. It actively assists in restoring balance, promoting a sense of calm, and re-energizing your entire body. This remarkable tea is known as ashwagandha root tea. If you haven't yet had the pleasure of trying it, prepare yourself for a potentially wonderful revelation. Ashwagandha is classified as an adaptogen, meaning it profoundly assists your body in navigating and adapting to stress, fatigue, and the cumulative effects of aging. For older adults, this particular quality is of paramount importance. As we age, our muscles don't just weaken due to a lack of physical activity, they are also significantly impacted by chronic stress, insufficient sleep, and hormonal fluctuations, particularly in hormones like cortisol and testosterone, which play critical roles in regulating energy levels and muscle tone. Take a moment to visualize this scenario. Imagine waking up in the morning not with a feeling of stiffness, exhaustion, or anxiety about the day ahead, but instead with a profound sense of groundedness and calm. You stretch your legs, and they feel genuinely ready to move. As you stand, you notice that the heavy, sluggish sensation in your legs has significantly lessened. This is the kind of subtle yet significant daily improvement that many individuals report after integrating ashwagandha tea into their regular wellness practices. The way it works within your body is quite fascinating. When we experience stress, whether it stems from health concerns, financial worries, or even interrupted sleep patterns, our bodies release cortisol, the primary stress hormone. Prolonged exposure to elevated cortisol levels can weaken muscles, contribute to the accumulation of abdominal fat, and severely deplete our energy reserves. Ashwagandha plays a crucial role in regulating cortisol levels, effectively calming the nervous system and sending a clear message to your body that it is safe to relax and to prioritize healing and rebuilding. This critical shift alone allows your body to direct its resources toward restoration and muscle repair rather than continuous breakdown. Furthermore, A wealth of scientific studies has demonstrated that ashwagandha can measurably increase muscle strength and endurance, even in older adults. In one notable clinical trial, seniors who incorporated ashwagandha into their daily regimen observed significant improvements in their lower body strength, enhanced balance, and increased stamina within a mere few weeks of consistent use. This isn't a matter of magic. It's about your body finally receiving the essential support it needs to perform at its absolute best. Ashwagandha also offers crucial support for nerve health, which is absolutely vital for how your legs feel when you walk or stand. If you've ever experienced a feeling of shakiness, unsteadiness, or a sense that your legs aren't fully responding to your intentions, compromised neuromuscular connections might be a contributing factor. Ashwagandha actively helps to strengthen these connections, leading to improved coordination and responsiveness. And if you frequently struggle with achieving restful sleep, this tea truly excels. Consuming it in the evening can help quiet a racing mind, alleviate nighttime anxiety, and promote deeper, more restorative sleep. Crucially, better sleep is directly linked to enhanced muscle recovery, as our muscles undergo their most significant repair processes while we are at rest. Without adequate sleep, the body's ability to rebuild strength is severely hampered, regardless of the quality of your diet. To prepare ashwagandha root tea, you can typically find the root in dried pieces, powder form, or even as part of prepackaged tea bags. For the most concentrated and pure benefits, utilizing the dried root is generally considered the most effective method. Use approximately 1 teaspoon of the dried root. Simmer it gently in water for 10 to 15 minutes, then strain the liquid and drink it while warm. If you prefer a sweeter taste, you can add a pinch of cinnamon or a touch of honey. Ashwagandha possesses a subtle, earthy, nutty flavor that pairs beautifully with warm spices. Some individuals prefer to drink it in the morning to promote a sense of calm and steady energy throughout the day, while others find it more beneficial to consume it in the evening to relax and facilitate muscle recovery during sleep. Regardless of your preference, the underlying secret to unlocking its full potential lies in consistency. Making it a regular part of your daily ritual ensures that your body receives unwavering support. The world of holistic wellness offers ample inspiration, with experts like celebrity nutritionist Dr. Frank Lipman frequently recommending ashwagandha for older clients who are contending with fatigue and stress. Many prominent wellness advocates over the age of 60, such as the wellness team behind actress Gwyneth Paltrow, have championed adaptogens like ashwagandha for their ability to promote balanced energy and improve sleep quality. While they may utilize it for overall well-being, seniors can derive a unique and profound benefit: enhanced leg strength, improved balance, and a sense of calm energy that persists throughout the day. Therefore, if you are actively seeking a natural and effective way to feel more stable on your feet, experience less stress in your heart and mind, and cultivate a greater sense of peace throughout your day, ashwagandha root tea is an exceptionally promising starting point. It's not merely about building stronger muscles, it's about restoring physical, mental, and emotional equilibrium. And this balanced state is the true foundation for enduring vitality at any age. The impact of ashwagandha on stress and sleep is particularly profound when considering leg strength and overall mobility. Chronic stress, characterized by elevated cortisol levels, can lead to muscle catabolism, meaning the breakdown of muscle tissue. By acting as an adaptogen, ashwagandha helps to regulate the body's stress response, lowering cortisol levels and creating a more anabolic environment conducive to muscle building and repair. This means that the energy that might otherwise be consumed by the stress response can be redirected towards strengthening and maintaining muscle mass, including the muscles in the legs that are crucial for support and movement. Furthermore, the restorative power of sleep cannot be overstated when it comes to physical recovery. During deep sleep, the body releases human growth hormone, which is essential for muscle repair and growth. Ashwagandha's ability to improve sleep quality by reducing anxiety and promoting relaxation directly supports this vital recovery process. When you sleep better, your muscles have a greater opportunity to rebuild and strengthen.